Hello everyone, I'm Arina from Toolstar, and now I'm gonna introduce you the process of our diamond wire saws. As you can see, here is the first step, powder mixing. The materials all from the best manufacturers in the industry. The second step is called pressing. All machines in use are developed and produced by ourselves. The third step, which is also the most important step, sintering. We use two technologies, hot press sintering and free press sintering. And this is biorising. Here is the last step of producing beads. Let's step it, which helps the beads to fit better with the steel wire. That's all for the beads producing. Here we go, each string. All machines are developed and produced by ourselves too. Next is injection molding or vulcanization. If it's used for large slab cutting, shaping and special shape, we need injection molding to fix the beads. If it's used for mining and cutting concrete, we need vulcanized rubber to improve the comprehensive performance of the wire saw. Next is quality control. Only qualified products can be sold to customers. The last step, packing, waiting for a testing person. Well, that's all for the process of producing of our diamond wires. I hope you got some useful information from this video. If you are interested in other products of Toolstar, please contact us by the information below. Thanks for your watching and see you next time. Bye bye!